In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone's access from your Facebook page. This walkthrough is perfect if a collaborator no longer needs access, or you simply want tighter control over who can manage your page. You'll need to be an admin on the page to follow along, and I recommend doing this on a computer for the clearest layout, though the steps are very similar on mobile. Start by going to your Facebook page. Make sure you're on the correct page if you manage more than one. You should see the page's dashboard with its navigation menu on the left. From there, open Settings. This is the page-specific settings, not your personal account settings, and it's where all the key controls for the page live. Inside Settings, choose Page Access. This section shows who can manage the page and what level of permission they have. It's a good place to review access regularly, so you always know who can post, run ads, or view insights on your behalf. Under People with Page Access, look for the person you want to remove. Take a moment to double-check you've selected the correct individual, especially if multiple people have similar names. You'll see their role and access type listed, which can help confirm you're looking at the right profile. Next, click the three dots beside their name. This opens the action menu for that person's access. From the options that appear, click Remove Access. Facebook will prompt you to confirm because removing someone is immediate and can't be undone without re-adding them later. To finalize the change, enter your Facebook password to confirm. This security step ensures it's really you making the update. Keep your password private and enter it only in the official confirmation box. Once confirmed, their access is revoked right away, and they'll no longer be able to manage the page or use page tools. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see page access in settings, you may not have the right permissions, so check that you're logged into an admin account. If you can't find the person under People with Page Access, they might have a different type of access or be connected through a separate business account. In that case, review the other sections in Page Access for more context. That's it. You've removed someone's access safely and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and keep your page secure by reviewing access regularly.